Boston today is a city of champions. In this, our final lesson, we will showcase the best things to do and see in this great city. In addition, we'll talk about what makes Boston one of the most successful cities of the 21st century: beautiful, influential, and livable. People continue to come to Boston from all over the world. They still come from England and Ireland, from Italy and Russia and Poland. They also come from Central America, from Asia, and from Africa, enriching the city and transforming it in the process. Boston is also home to some of the world's best hospitals, colleges, and businesses. Our cultural offerings are second to none. The Museum of Fine Arts, the Institute for Contemporary Arts showcase the work of artists from all over the world. The Boston Symphony Orchestra is one of the premier orchestras in the world, and Boston is also a great location for filmmakers shooting films on every imaginable subject. Boston also takes its job of preserving history seriously. The Freedom Trail, the Old State House, the African American Meeting House, and more preserve the best of Boston from the 18th, 19th, and 20th centuries. Boston's sports teams are also champions. The Red Sox won the first ever World Series in 1903, and since 2004 they've won 3 more. The New England Patriots have won 3 Super Bowl championships since 2001. The Boston Bruins have won the Stanley Cup 5 times. The Boston Celtics have won 17 championships, and Boston has produced some of the greatest boxers in the history of the sport. And Boston has also produced a long line of Olympians, from the first modern Olympics in Athens in 1896, when Brendan Connolly of South Boston won a medal, to the Miracle on Ice in 1980 and beyond. The iconic Boston Marathon came back stronger than ever after the bombings at the finish line in April 2013. And in response to that act of terrorism, Bostonians created the One Fund, distributing millions of dollars to those hurt in the attack. The successful running of the Boston Marathon in 2014 gave new meaning for the term of what it means to come back tough in the face of life's challenges: Boston Strong. What does the future hold for Boston? No one knows, but we can be sure that as the city moves into the future, it will continue to be informed by its dynamic past. Boston will always be revolutionary.